Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever started a fitness routine only to fall off track after a few weeks? Trust me, you're not alone. In fact, studies show that over 80% of people give up on their fitness goals within the first few months. But what if I told you that staying consistent with fitness doesn't have to be hard? In this video, I'm sharing 10 proven tips to help you stay on track, even when motivation runs low. Let's dive in. First things first, set realistic goals. If you're just starting out, don't aim to work out 7 days a week or run a marathon in a month. Start small. Maybe it's 2 to 3 workouts a week or walking 10,000 steps a day. Realistic goals are easier to stick to, and they'll help you build momentum over time. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Consistency is all about habits. Try to schedule your workouts at the same time every day, whether it's early morning, during lunch, or after work. When you make fitness a part of your daily routine, it becomes second nature. Pro tip: lay out your workout clothes the night before. It's a small trick that can make a big difference. Tracking your progress is a game changer. Whether it's writing down your workouts, taking progress photos, or using a fitness app, seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Plus, it helps you stay accountable. If you're not tracking, you're just guessing. Speaking of accountability, find a workout buddy or join a fitness community. When someone else is counting on you, you're way less likely to skip a workout. If you don't have a gym buddy, share your goals with a friend or post about your journey online. Trust me, the support you'll get is priceless. Let's be real, doing the same workout every day can get boring. Keep things fresh by trying new activities: yoga, cycling, dance classes, or even hiking. When you enjoy what you're doing, you're more likely to stick with it. Variety is the spice of life and fitness. Instead of just focusing on the scale or how you look, pay attention to how exercise makes you feel. Do you have more energy? Are you sleeping better? Feeling less stressed? When you connect fitness to how it improves your life, it becomes less about the grind and more about the rewards. Life happens, and there will be days when you can't stick to your plan. That's okay. The key is to plan ahead. If you know you'll be busy, schedule shorter workouts or do bodyweight exercises at home. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Don't wait until you hit your big goal to celebrate. Acknowledge the small wins along the way, like completing a tough workout or choosing a healthy meal over fast food. Celebrating these moments keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're making progress. Here's the truth: you're going to have off days. Maybe you'll skip a workout or eat something unhealthy. That's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Be kind to yourself, and remember that one bad day doesn't define your progress. Last but not least, make fitness fun. Play your favorite music, watch a show while on the treadmill, or reward yourself with a new workout outfit. When you enjoy the process, staying consistent becomes so much easier. And there you have it, 10 tips to help you stay consistent with fitness. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up and doing your best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and motivation. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying consistent? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay strong and keep moving. Bye.